Gail with Traders Help Desk, and in this video I'm going to go over the euro currencies. The euro has gained strength, and we're seeing it in all of the euro based currencies. For example, on the euro dollar, you can see that the 240 is currently moving up, had formed a trend divergence here, and that simply means that as price made new lows, which were here, the stochastics made a higher low. So it plotted this green dot to let you know you had trend divergence. And in this case, when it moved up, it broke through the previous high, and then it came back and formed a support area right here at these white dots. Now, this happens to be a higher low than this one over here, and of course now it's moving up. It's potentially going to test this high as well as the previous high, and the previous high is right here at about 1950. So the first area would be just above 1850, probably around 1875, and then the next area will be around 1950. Now you can also confirm this using a lower time frame, in this case a 15-minute chart, and you can see that this has started to move up and it forms an area of support right at the ATR. Now in this case, this was your first pullback to the ATR, and then when you had this second pullback, this is where you got a divergence here. Additionally, on the next one, which was here, you also had hidden divergence, which indicated that the market would move up. If we go and we look at the euro yen, a really nice run to the upside on the euro yen, and again you can see that it's breaking through the prior resistance area, which is this congestion dot, and it's moving up to test the next highs. When you look at the 15-minute chart, you can see that you had hidden divergence here, and you also had hidden divergence here, and either one of these could have been a potential entry point. And of course then it moves up with price as it continues. Then if we go to look at the euro British pound, we see pretty much the exact same setups. You can see that we come back to test for support here, and it found it, and the anticipation is it would probably go through this high and then go on to the next high, which is about here. Again, if you look at the 15-minute chart, you can see that we had hidden divergence right at this line of ATRs, and then we had hidden divergence here. Again, these are great entry points into these trend runs.